guys! Welcome to the Panda Vlogs, and for today's video, I'm gonna do a summer makeup tutorial, and this video is in collaboration with Emerald. So if you're in my channel for quite some time now, then you know Emerald kasi nakagawa na kami ng a few collaboration videos in the past. So anyway, I'm gonna put her link down in the description box below as well as her video. So both of us are gonna do a summer makeup tutorial, pero lahat ng gagamitin naming items are just 500 pesos and below. So I'm so excited for this video kasi medyo matagal na akong hindi nakakagawa ng makeup tutorial and sobrang tagal ko nang hindi nakakagawa ng collab video. So yeah, let's get started. For foundation, I'm gonna be using this Maybelline Fit Me and the shade 220. And ito talaga yung isa sa favorite ko na foundation. And sabi nila maganda din daw yung 24-hour ba yun. Kasi yung kulay white yung takip. Kaso, hindi ko pa ito nauubos. And ang dami ko pang foundation na as in sobrang dami ko pang stocks ng foundation and hindi na ako masyado nagka-foundation ngayon. So, parang ayoko nang bumili. So, you can skip the base or concealer lang kayo. Pero right now kasi I have a lot of pimples and pimple marks. Ayan, nakita niyo po. Kaya I opted to use foundation. And pag gusto nyo mas full coverage yung foundation nyo, use a dense brush katulad nito. Or any foundation brush na meron kayo. Kasi pag sponge, nasi-shear out nyo yung foundation. And alam naman natin na hindi full coverage tong Fit Me. Pero para mas ma-maximize natin yung coverage niya, I'm just gonna use a brush. Gusto ko yung Fit Me kasi very light niya sa skin. And for concealer, I'm choosing between this Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define or this Fit Me. So, pagsasamahin ko na lang sila. Hindi ko kasi sure kung magkano to dito sa Philippines. Pero, ayun. In case na over 500 siya, guys, ito na lang gamitin nyo. This is the Fit Me Maybelline. Pero pagsasamahin ko sila kasi sobrang mauubos na to. For baking, we're gonna use this Nichido Final Powder in the shade Creamy Glow. Lagay lang ako sa under eyes, high point of my face, and then kung saan meron akong mga pimple marks para hindi sila ganun kabilis matanggal ng concealer. So, I did my eyebrows off camera and I used the Careline Best Brow Liner in the shade Taupe. And then for blush, we're going to be using this Skin Potions Dream Cream in the shade Freya. We're gonna dust off the powder. The reason that naglagay na ako ng blush before baking is that as you can see, sobrang pigmented niya, diba? And pag nag-dust off na tayo ng powder, then malilesen yung pagka-pigmented ng blush. And then for the eyes, we'll be using this Dream Cream in the shade Soleil. So ito yung gagamitin natin parang overall shade. Sorry kung medyo dumilim na kasi magsi 6 o'clock na kasi nalobat yung camera ko, so I had to charge it pa. But anyway, after using the Dream Cream Soleil in my eyes, or on my eyes, I'm gonna be using this EB Pro Play Palette Eyeshadow. So, yung shimmer, gusto kong gamitin is this yung medyo coppery. And then, for my brow bone, I'll be using this one. You can always skip glitter eyeshadows katulad nito, or you can totally skip eyeshadow if hindi nyo naman gustong mag-eyeshadow or hindi naman kayo attend ng party, ganyan. Pero if gusto nyo lang mag-eyeshadow, then why not? Very trendy kasi yung color na rust ngayong summer, may it be for clothes, makeup, and sa lipstick, ganyan. Kasi sobrang warm niya, diba? And sobrang nako-complement niya yung Filipina skin tone. And even mga mapuputi, nako-complement niya din. And for the contour, we'll be using this EB Pro Cheek Set. Ito. Actually, maganda din yung blush nito. Pero this one, yung highlight nila, hindi ko siya masyadong bet. Well, actually, hindi ko talaga siya bet. Kasi ang chalky niya. And di ko alam kung like matte ba siya na for under eyes. And hindi din siya, you know, yung parang blinding highlight. Or kahit nga yung hindi ganun ka-blinding highlight, hindi siya ganun. Kasi parang na-intensify niya yung parang texture sa skin. So, hindi ko talaga siya gusto. Actually guys, nanonood pala ako kanina habang nag-search yung camera ko, yung Get to Know the Brand series ni Ate May Layo. And ngayon yung video niya is yung sa Elana Cosmetics. And sobrang gusto ko talagang itry yung Elana Cosmetics. I have one. This is, oh my god, nakalimutan ko anong shade ko. Pero ito, yung nasa ganito. Ito yata yung foundation. Nakalimutan ko anong shade ko. Parang radiant ata. Kasi nakalimutan kong ilagay yung sticker. Kasi parang may binibigay silang sticker nun. Nakalimutan. So yun, parang naglabas sila ng kulay blue na parang blur, something, oil control na parang CC cream ata siya. Or something. And sobrang parang gusto ko siya kasi 800 siya. Tapos merong ni Rave si Ray Hermar, yung parang siyang drunk blush na blush, na parang nasa pan siya, autumn na ata yun. And isa din yun sa gusto kasi yun na lang yung parang mahilig ako ngayon sa blush and lips. Actually, hindi na ako masyadong nag-eyebrows, which is very, very different from before. Kasi dati, as in, sobrang hilig ko sa brows. Kahit wala akong sa cheeks, parang sa akin dati, brows and lips talaga. Ngayon, parang cheeks and lips na yung everyday ko. Parang gusto ko pa magdagdag ng blush, guys. Ang gusto ko sa Skin Potions na Dream Cream, guys, since velvet powdery siya, kahit naka-powder ka na, okay lang na gamitin mo pa siya. Kasi hindi niya na-interrupt yung powder and yung foundation mo. And pag kunwari, naka-powder ka na din yan for like day-to-day, kahit mag-add ka ng blush in the middle of the day, ganyan, ayos lang. For my highlight, I'll be using this Careline Strobe Stick. And sobrang tagal ko na itong hinahanap. Kasi, nung una, gusto kong bilhin yung sa Sunny's Face. But then, I saw reviews na mas maganda pa nga daw to, ganyan. And, yun nga, mas mura siya. And, madali lang bilhin kasi nasa drugstore lang, diba? Unlike yung sa Sunny's Face. So, ayan. Sobrang nagustuhan ko naman siya. And, yung technique daw dito is huwag mo directly ilalagay. I-warm up mo muna siya using your fingers. Guys, kung may narinig kayo maingay, sila Jaren yun sa baba. Naglalaro sila. And also sa inner corners ng eyes. Very subtle lang. For my eyelashes, I'll be using this Voluminous Lash Paradise. And gusto ko sanang itry yung Total Temptation ba yun ng Maybelline. Kaso kanina wala sa SM yung kanilang waterproof version. Nandun lang yung color pink pero wala nung blue. And syempre mas gusto ko yung waterproof. Kasi very teary eye talaga ako and ayokong magsasmudge yung mascara kasi humumukha akong panda. Which I love, pero of course, ayokong mangyari yun dahil sa makeup. But anyway, ayan. Paubos na naman to. So, pag nahanap ko, I'll buy that one. And let's see if maganda nga talaga siya. Kasi ang dami talagang nag-rave nun. And mas mura siya compared to this one. Kasi this one is 500 pesos and yun ata less than 500, mga 399 ata or 299. For the lips, I'll be using the Skin Potions Dream Cream in the shade Millie. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to click the like button. And also, don't forget to subscribe to BERYL'S channel and also to my channel. And don't forget to comment down on her channel that you're coming from my channel. Medyo magulo yun, pero I hope it makes sense. And if you're from BERYL'S channel, hi guys! Welcome to the Panda Vlogs. And don't forget to subscribe to both of our channels. And also, comment down below kung ano po yung videos na gusto nyong gawin namin together. And that is it. God bless!